box, grid back, then group layout. Okay. So first I will discuss some other part. Okay. See that if you do not want to use any predefined layout manager, okay, if you do not want to use any predefined layout manager, you can create a container without a layout manager. So you can use the set layout method of the container and pass the null as argument. Okay, it means what? जदि मु किछि लेआउट दबाकू चाहूनी तारे मु सेट लेआउट मेथड भितरे null पास करी. When I pass null in set layout method, that means I don't want to pass any kind of layout. So by default, the default layout manager is applied. So default layout manager for frame is border layout. Okay, so these are the layout we're using. बुझेला? तो जदि आमे कोनोसी लेआउट न दबाकू चाहूजे त आमे सेट लेआउट भितरे null पास करा जिवो. बुझेला? आत्मज्योति, आशीष, मनीषा, शुभम.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next we are going to the part that is called as event handling. So event handling is what? Event handling means any action that you perform on the screen. Anything is happened, like you can say there is an event in our college. Okay, there is a fair or there is what you can say like seminar. Okay, so that is called as the events. Events and event handling is what, like what is the action you have to perform and how you have to react on that action. And in this session we will go for that, determine the user action that originated the event from the event object details, identify the appropriate listener interface. अगर कोई what you can say like if any event is happened, then whom it is listen, माने किए ताको listen करिवो. Okay, so I go for it. Event means a object that describe what happened. It is a object that describe what happened. Event sources is called as the generator of event. Event handler, a method that receive an event object, disappears it, and process the user interaction. Event means it is a object that describe what is happened. Okay, like in an application, you are passing a login ID and a password, and you click on the login button. So here, click is a event. Okay, mosquito is biting you, so that is also event. It is happening in your body. Okay, like you are suffering from cold, it is an event. Then event sources. When you are suffering from cold, then you have to find out in which source you are affected. You suffered from cold. Like you think that like there is a heavy rain, so that I suffer from the heavy rain. So that is a event sources. And how you have to handle the situation? You have to take a medicine. That is a event handler. So event handler is what? It is a method that receive an event object, disappears it, and process the user interaction. Event is a object that describe what happened. Event sources is the generator of event. Event handler is what? Now, it is a method which is used to process the user interaction. I just give an example. When your friend is beating you, then you are okay with it because you know that it is a casual thing, it is happened. Okay, but if the same event, if your friend is beating you, suppose you can calculate in the form of a pressure. So if it is 100, then it is okay because you know that person. But if a outsider that you don't know to what him and beating you just little, then you react. Okay, so that is what same thing has happened, but your reaction is different. Okay, like if outsider is beating you, then you are not react. If your father is scolding you and beating you, then you are not react because you know that there is some kind of what you did some kind of mistake, and your father is having all authority to guide you. But if same thing did by the outsider, then you are not tolerant, you just again react. मुझे मारा है, एक मारा है तो आप दो चार लगा दोगे इसको. Okay, so that is called as same event that is happened, but in which way you react. So that is called as the word work of the event handler. So it is a method which is responding based upon your different events. Event sources is called as the generator of event. Like see that I'm giving another example. Do you participate in parade in your school or college? Manisha, Atmajyoti, anyone? Subham, Ashish? Parade भाग नहीं चाहिए?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have some kind of command like Sabdhan, Bisram. So when
Yes, sir.
we have
Dynamic.
Sabdhan, okay. So when we have Sabdhan, that means what? ଆମେ କିଛି action କରିବାନି. That you have to what like stand what steadily. Imagine that situation. Imagine that situation when you are standing. At that time, a mosquito is biting you. Okay. ମଶା କାମୁଡିଲା ଗୋଡକୁ. Then Sabdhan position ଅଛି. So you have to just like tolerate, and you're trying to handle the situation ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଡରେ ତାକୁ ହଟେଇବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବ ହାତ ନେଲେ ଆମେ ସାବଧାନ ମାନେ ବଡିଟା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ରହିବାର ଅଛି ତ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଡରେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ କଣ କରିବା ତ ପିମ୍ପୁଡି ଫିମ୍ପୁଡି କାମୁଡ଼ିଲେ ତ ଆମେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଗରେ ତାକୁ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବା so you are using another leg okay when you are in a sleeping at night and mosquito is biting your leg okay so are you get up and you are kill that mosquito and searching for mosquito it is not happen ଆମେ ଶୋଇଥିବା ମାରିଦେଲା ତାପରେ ଗୋଡରେ ହଟେଇଦେବା but when you are awake and mosquito is biting you okay so you have to search for that bloody mosquito हाँ आज इसको खत्म कर दूंगा
Last day.
last day okay see that what I want to say the same situation mosquito is biting when at the night of what I can say that you are sleeping at 3 p.m so it is a user for all the young generation they sleep at 2 p.m so I take the example of 4 a.m okay so at that timing you are in the what a deep sleep so at that timing if the same thing is happened so you are not bothered about that who may be what beating you or bite you but same thing is happened before your sleep then you just search for it and kill it the same situation is happened but our reaction is different so here what happens is that I just go for a scientifical terms in a scientifical terms when mosquito is biting your leg there is a nerve is there the nerve is giving a message to your head okay your brain okay so brain is giving a order okay to another hand or to the leg how to react okay so when your leg is protected like in a parade if you are in the sabdan position then another leg is the brain is giving a order that it is a sabdan position then don't what just what move one in don't move just avoid it just handle this situation but if it is not sabdan position and you are casually working at that timing brain is giving a order that you just go and kill it you search and kill it so that is what the nerve is giving a order to the brain is responded and giving a order to the leg or hand what to do okay so sometimes happen that like you are in the deep sleep at that timing in mosquito is biting and when you move your hand then mosquito is killed okay so the brain is working on that way okay so ମାନେ ଯୋଉଠି କାମୁଡିବ ହାତଟା ଆମର ସେଇଠିକି ପଳେଇଥାଏ ଆଉ ସେ ମରି ବି ଯାଇଥାଏ ବଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଅନନୋନ୍ ଟୁ ଅସ୍ ଆମେ ସକାଳେ ଜାଣିଥିବା ହାତରେ ରକ୍ତ ଫକ୍ତ ଲାଗିଥିବ okay so here also event means any action that you perform on the component of a GUI application in a GUI application we're using different component like we're using button we're using a checkbox we're using a radio button so when you are click a button then after giving your ID and password it is moving to the next page and if you are not giving the correct ID and password then it shows an error it shows an exception so here the button where we click so click means that is an event so in the button behind the button some kind of function is written so that according to that function your program is working it is validating so here the action click is event sources is your button event handler is what now it is a method that is behind your button behind the button one method is present that is a event handler method Next is what? We're using another work. When you are giving a ID and password, you use mouse button to log in, or through the keyboard also you are logging by pressing which key? मतलब login करिवार अछि को key टा मु press करिवे? Which key I am using for login? Through keyboard. मैं normally कौन करो? ID password दे दियो, को की प्रेस करे मैं लॉगिन ही जियो.
Enter.
Enter. Okay, good. Enter key or else I mouse रे left click करियो. In the two way you can perform. See that? Have you noticed that? For mouse it is working and for keyboard it is also working. So that is, for that kind of work we have written that code. We have written the code for mouse, we have written the code for the keyboard, so that when you perform any action through the keyboard and mouse, it is working. Okay, so in the keyboard, enter key, we write some code, and for mouse right click, left click, we write some code. So for the same work, two type of event handler is present, means two type of method is present. Just I am giving an example. When mosquito is biting to your leg, through your hand you can remove, and through your leg also you can do that work. Means same action is happened, but you react or you perform the action by using the keyboard and by using of the mouse. The similar way, when mosquito is biting you, you react through your leg and through your hand. So that is nothing but that is called as the event handler. So for the event handler, we register for the two methods. So an event can be sent to the many event handler. Just I am giving an example. If you want to log in by click on through the mouse, you can log in, or by press the enter key, you can log in. Next is what? In some online exam, when you give, it is disable the keyboard. Through the keyboard, it cannot perform any kind of action. Only the mouse is activated and you have to only choose the option. Because for that application, only the code is written for the mouse. For the keyboard, it has not written. So that is called as your what? Means same action you can perform by using of two handler. एपर्यंत क्लियर हैला सब इवेंट कोन, इवेंट सोर्सेस कोन, इवेंट हैंडलर कोन? शुभम, आशीष, आत्मज्योति, मनीषा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now see that the client object handler register with a GUI component that they want to observe. I just giving an example that through the mouse you can log in and through the keyboard you can log in. But to perform for both action, you have to write code for it or you have to register for it. If you are not write the code for mouse and if you are not write the code for the keyboard, it doesn't work. So if you want to work with both keyboard and mouse, so you have to register for it. The GUI component only trigger the handler for the type of event that has occurred. GUI component only trigger the handler only the type of event that has occurred. So you are written the code, you have written the code for mouse and keyboard. So GUI component will verify that in which source the event is generated. Your event is generated through the mouse or your event is generated for the keyboard. So depending on that, the particular function is executed. most component can trigger more than one type of event. The delegation model distribute the work among the multiple classes. If in same button two function is present, for same work two method is present, then how you distribute the work? माने गोटे वर्क पे दीटा मेथड अछि, दीटा तरीका अछि. मते लॉगिन करिवार अछि बाय यूजिंग ऑफ माउस और बाय यूजिंग ऑफ कीबोर्ड I perform the action. Then how you distribute the work? To distribute the work among the two functions, we are using delegation model. The delegation model is helping you to distribute the work among the two methods. Like you can say in a coffee shop, you found there is a coffee vending machine is there. If you press one button, it gives you coffee. If you press another button, it gives you tea. You have some cold drinks machine, orange flavor, mango flavor, okay, Himalaya cold drinks. Okay, a lot of cold drinks are there in nearby in our city. So when you asking for orange, they press the button orange, then orange comes. Then when you want to for the masala cold drinks, then masala cold drinks has come. So every option is used for unique purpose. When you press any button, then the particular flavor has come. Similar way, in your room or home, you have a electric board. Every board contain a switch. When you on the particular switch, then the what light is switch on, light is switch off, fan is switch on, switch off. Okay, so every switch is working for a specific purposes. Then how it is distribute the work? So every switches is connected with a specific wire, and it is connected to the particular appliances. So when you switch on it, then it is working. But where all switches are present? All switches are present in a board. So that board is distribute the work among the multiple switches. So that board is called as a delegation. The delegation model is runtime call the function when the particular work is performed by the function. Depending upon the nature of work, it calls the particular function. The delegation model identify that your event is generated from where? Now my event is generated from the mouse, then mouse function is called. Delegation model again judge the event is generated from where? Now keyboard, then keyboard function has called. So when this delegation model is working, if you are write the code for both, if you write the code for keyboard and mouse, then this delegation model is working. Clear? What is delegation model? Manisha,
Yes, sir.
Subham,
Yes,
Asif.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is a listener is present. Listener means what? When any action is performed, who is listen? If any fraud is happen, if any what theft is happen, for listening your problem, you are going to the police station. So for this work, police station is a listener. Regarding your health issue, the listener is doctor. Doctor is listening and prescribe you medicine. Similar way, depending on the work that you perform through the GUI application, or there is a different listener is present. When the user clicks a button, press enter while typing in a text field, or chooses a menu item, the listener type is action listener. Action listener, you can say like it is a common feature. When you click a button, when you press the button, or when you want to type anything, at that timing the listener type is action listener. Then when the user want to close a frame, at that timing window listener is used. When the user press a mouse button while cursor is over a component, cursor is present over the component, at that timing the listener is mouse listener. When user moves the mouse over the component, that is called the mouse motion listener. Component becomes visible, that is called the component listener. Component becomes visible, like button is visible, button is hide. At that timing we're using component listener. Component get keyboard focus is called the focus listener. Sometimes you have like sign up, sign in, but when you open that application, sign up button is highlighted. When you press the button, press the enter keyboard, sign up is happen. Okay, like yes or no, so always yes is highlighted. So by knowingly or unknowingly, if you press the enter, then yes is there. Or sometimes no is highlighted. So when you press the enter, then it is cancelled. देखिए कि नहीं एमती एप्लीकेशन बेले बेले बटन टा एस टा हाइलाइट हेक थाए नोट हाइलाइट हेक थाए देखिए
Yes, sir.
सो दैट मींस
हाँ,
जोटा हाइलाइट हेक रहउची सेटा को कुहा जिवो फोकस मींस योर GUI एप्लीकेशन is focuses on that particular component. So if you press the enter, if you click the mouse, then particular event is happening. Action listener interface. Action listener interface has only one method. That is called as the action perform method. It is having only one method, that is called as the action perform method. To detect when the user clicks an on-screen button, a program must have an object that implement action listener interface. Okay, so in action listener interface, like I just giving an example, when mosquito is biting you, it is giving a message to your brain. The brain is giving a order what to do. The similar way in the action listener, there is a method is present, action perform method. So if any kind of event is happened, then action perform method is do the work. To detect when the user clicks an on-screen button, a program must have an object that implement action listener interface. Program must register these object as action listener on the button using add action listener method. For adding the action listener, we're using add action listener method. Add method is used. Okay, so action listener is not directly added. For adding that, we use the add method, add action listener. So similar way, if you notice that in the frame class or panel class we did earlier, for adding the component on the frame, we're using add function, add button. So here also, for adding the listener, we use the add method, add action listener method. The similar way, for mouse listener interface, we use mouse listener interface. So in mouse listener interface, there is 4 methods present. Mouse is enter. Enter means mouse is coming to your application. mouse is exit, mouse cursor is go out of from your application. When mouse pressed, that work is different. Mouse released, that work is different. When mouse is clicked, that work is also different. When the user clicks the on-screen button, the button fires an action event. When a user click an on-screen button, when user clicking on a button, then there is a different method is working, like mouse click event. But by default, if you are not mention anything, then action listener is present. By default, action listener is present. As you know that if you want to use multiple predefined interface, then you are using comma separation. So Java doesn't support multiple inheritance, but in the case of interface, it supports multiple inheritance. So here you have to use a comma separation. A class can be declared with multiple interface by using comma separation. So if you want to generate a multiple listener, the multiple listener cause unrelated part of the program to react the same event. The handler of all registered listener are called when the particular event occurs. Okay. That means what? If any event is happened, multiple people are what? Giving you like a solution. Do this thing, do that thing, it will be better. Like giving pravachan is what? Like everybody can give it. If you feel not good, like you suffering from fever, like in this situation, lot of people prescribe you lot of things. But only the particular advisor is present, there is a doctor is giving you accurate solution. The similar way, listening the multiple listener, it may be cause unrelated part of program, means you are not performing the particular action or work. So that we have to only call the listener when the actual event or that particular event is happened. Like if you're suffering from fever, then you are going to the medicine department. If your bone is broke, then you are going to the orthopedic department. So there is a different department is there. So depending upon your disease, you are moving to the particular doctors. Okay, so that is called as the, based upon your event, you have to call the particular listener so that you can handle all the events here. Okay. So it is all about your events. So in next class, I will show you all the programs of the event handling. Okay, so don't miss it. So tomorrow I will take the classes at 7 p.m. Okay. How about Ashish, Atmajyoti?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो काली 17 वाला क्लास ने भी ए प्रैक्टिकल्स गुरा सब देखेबी. ओके. आई थियोरी गुरा टिके देखि दबो वीडियो रे बुझिया को सुविधा हबो. Okay, so in the next class I go for the practicals. Okay, chalo, good night.
Good night, sir.